Hi, this is Welchlin. Thank you for the opportunity to possibly speak at your upcoming event on emotional intelligence. The most effective people in our lives, personally and professionally, have a high degree of emotional intelligence. Over the years, my clients have used many titles or themes to address the issue of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, what's the IQ of your EQ? Emotional intelligence, understanding yourself and understanding others. And emotional intelligence, applying emotional intelligence for career success. Have you noticed that some people have little self-awareness, express their emotions inappropriately, lack empathy and social skill? Please don't let that be you. The qualities that make up emotional intelligence are self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skill. These qualities enable us to raise our own and others' performance to a higher level. In this highly interactive session, we discuss such things as how to understand your emotions and respond appropriately, how to keep conversations civil, how to motivate yourselves and others, how to build a supportive communication climate, and how to give and receive professional criticism. These are not just concepts, these are skills people will get a chance to practice during this presentation. I would love to have the opportunity to have a deeper conversation with you about this interactive presentation and really customize something that is exactly what you are looking for and exactly what your audience needs. It would be fun to work together on your upcoming event.